Okay, so here comes the most important thing when it comes to looking attractive, which is fashion. What do you wear, how you dress up. This is one of the most important thing when it comes to looking more attractive. So before I tell you what kind of fashion style to focus on, let me tell you some fashion styles to avoid. The first one is obviously the baggy clothes. And don't come and be saying, oh, baggy clothes are very comfortable. Shut the fuck up. And the second kind of fashion style that you need to avoid is the one with a lot of stickers, graphics, and brand names. Don't wear those things. You look childish and you look like an idiot when you wear those. And finally, get rid of your toned pants and ripped jeans and toned t-shirts. It just makes you look like a homeless guy with no money and no home. So basically, minimalism is the way to go. We need to focus on basic clothes and then basic color combinations. So it's mostly about how you pair different clothes. Let me actually give you some examples. Out of recording myself wearing different outfits, but I don't know how to set this up. This is okay. Maybe. Let me see. I don't cut it. I'm so kind that I took this mirror from my sister's room to my room so that I can show you guys different outfits and how to mix and match different kind of clothes. So you need to understand basic color combination. For example, I'm wearing an olive green pant with a white linen shirt. White and olive green goes really well together, and white and black or white and very dark navy goes well together. Olive green and black goes well together. So I will show you guys a few example outfits right now. So yeah, this is again a white t-shirt. I think this is an oversized one. I bought it a while back. But you know, color combination wise, it goes really well with this pants, right? And when it comes to footwear, please do not wear Crocs. Wear something like this, some, you know, simple basic shoe with a basic color or something like that too. And this is another t-shirt. This is more of a beige t-shirt with some kind of prints, but it looks really simple, but at the same time looks really good. And it goes really well with this color of pants and that color of boot, right? So this is a really nice casual outfit that you can wear. And another example of t-shirts, like I said, black goes really well with olive green pants. This is again a really classy and simple outfit, just a black t-shirt. You know, fits really well. If you have a good body, you can, you know, fits really well. The band fits really well. It's not really tight. It's not skinny, but this is the kind of fit that you should aim for. You know, this is very comfortable, but at the same time it fits really well. It's really comfortable, you know. And now again, if you want to look a little bit more mature, polos are a great way to go. Now polos are really classy, they're elegant, they make you look a little bit more mature if you have a decent looking body. Fits really well. And again, another color combination that I want to show you guys is this white or gray or off-white with black. Another color combination is maroon and gray or white. Goes really well together. Again, another example of a really playful and casual polo. This is more of a fashionable kind. If you notice, there are patterns in here, but the fit is really good. The quality is decent. Obviously, now you can elevate your game by going for a full sleeve polo, which if you have a good body and if it fits, there is nothing more classier than this shit. Again, the color goes really well. The fit is very good. So, you know, this is something that anyone can wear. Now, if you have a really fit body, you can go for something really fashionable like this. You know, really shows off your muscles and everything. And you know, you can also put on a sunglass to elevate the look. You know, so this is something that you can go for if you have a really nice body. So again, fashionable, classy, and just looks really good in general, right? Go to the gym, work on your skin, pick the right outfits, understand the color scheme. It's easy. Watches are the coolest accessory that anyone can wear. Just don't buy a G-Shock that looks humongous on your wrist. Look for something simple, something elegant, something clean, something like what I'm wearing right now. Plus, wearing a watch tells others that you are a person who likes to be punctual, you're a person who values your time. And yeah, sunglasses. So if you're someone who's very confident, you can obviously go for a sunglass. And trust me, you look like $1 million when you're wearing sunglasses.